Hello, and welcome to Rolling Wheels.
Welcome back, everyone. And now it is finally time to take a complete exterior tour of this incredible luxury motorhome. From the very first glance, this vehicle makes an unforgettable impression with its bold styling, modern architecture, and premium road presence. Every line has been carefully designed to create a clean, sophisticated look that feels both futuristic and practical. The massive panoramic windshield instantly becomes the focal point of the front design, giving the motorhome an open, luxurious appearance while also providing excellent visibility for the driver. The sleek LED lighting and sculpted front fascia add a distinctive personality that makes this vehicle stand out, whether it is parked at a campground or traveling. Down the highway, moving along the side profile, you can immediately appreciate the smooth flowing body lines and the impressive proportions of this luxury coach. The large panoramic windows not only enhance the modern exterior, but also allow an abundance of natural light to enter the living space, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere inside. The premium paint finish reflects the surrounding environment beautifully, while the integrated mirrors and flush-mounted exterior compartments maintain a clean and elegant appearance. Every panel fits together with precision, demonstrating the high level of craftsmanship that has gone into the construction of this motorhome. Looking lower, you will notice the stylish, heavy-duty wheels and rugged tires that perfectly complement the overall design. They provide a strong, confident stance while enhancing both the visual appeal and the practical capability of the vehicle. The carefully shaped wheel arches blend naturally into the body, creating a seamless transition from front to rear and giving the motorhome a balanced, luxurious profile from every angle. One of the most exciting features is the rooftop entertainment area. Instead of simply using the roof as empty space, this design transforms it into an elevated outdoor lounge where you can relax, enjoy fresh air, and take in panoramic views. The comfortable rooftop seating area creates the perfect place to unwind after a long day of travel, while the integrated staircase provides convenient access and fits neatly into the overall design, making the entire feature feel like a natural extension of the vehicle, rather than an afterthought. As we continue toward the rear, the premium styling remains consistent with clean surfaces, modern lighting, and thoughtfully integrated utility areas. The exterior storage compartments provide convenient space for travel gear while maintaining the sleek, uninterrupted appearance of the body. The organized battery compartment reflects the practical engineering behind this luxury motorhome, showing that attention has been given not only to appearance, but also to everyday functionality. From the bold front fascia and elegant side profile to the panoramic windows, rooftop lounge, premium storage solutions, and refined rear styling. Every inch of this motorhome has been designed with comfort, luxury, and adventure in mind. It is a vehicle that delivers an impressive first impression and continues to reveal thoughtful details from every angle, making it an outstanding choice for travelers who want to experience life on the road without sacrificing style, comfort, or functionality. Now let's step inside and take a closer look at the driver cockpit, because this is where luxury meets intelligent design. Right away, the cabin feels modern, spacious, and incredibly well organized. The large panoramic windshield creates an open driving experience while providing excellent visibility of the road ahead. The premium steering wheel is perfectly positioned with an ergonomic design that makes long drives more comfortable and effortless. Directly behind it, the digital driver display presents important driving information in a clean and easy-to-read layout. The dashboard features a sleek, contemporary design with high-quality finishes that give the entire cockpit a refined and upscale appearance. At the center, you'll find a large infotainment screen that keeps essential vehicle functions and entertainment within easy reach, while the center console is neatly arranged with intuitive controls and convenient storage space. The comfortable captain seats provide excellent support for long-distance travel, and the elevated driving position gives you a confident view of your surroundings. Large side windows allow plenty of natural light into the cabin, making the cockpit feel even more spacious overall. Every detail has been carefully designed to create a driving environment that is comfortable, practical, and premium, making every journey feel relaxed, enjoyable, and ready for the road ahead. As we step inside this incredible motorhome, the first thing that immediately stands out is the beautifully designed kitchen, which perfectly combines luxury style and everyday functionality. The entire cooking area has been planned with efficiency in mind, allowing you to prepare meals comfortably no matter where your journey takes you. Right at the center, you'll notice the modern cooktop, which provides a practical space for everything from a quick breakfast to a full family dinner. The clean countertop offers plenty of preparation space while maintaining a premium and uncluttered appearance. Every surface has been carefully finished with high-quality materials that not only look elegant, but are also designed for everyday use, making cleaning and maintenance simple and convenient. Just beside the cooking area, you'll find a spacious sink that blends naturally into the countertop, giving the kitchen a sleek and contemporary look. Whether you're washing fresh ingredients, preparing meals, or simply cleaning up after dinner, everything feels within easy reach, creating a workspace that is both practical and comfortable. Above and below the countertop, generous storage cabinets provide enough room for cookware, dishes, groceries, and daily essentials, allowing everything to remain neatly organized throughout your trip. The cabinet design follows the same premium styling found throughout the motorhome, creating a seamless and sophisticated interior that feels more like a modern apartment than a traditional recreational vehicle. The integrated refrigerator is positioned perfectly within the kitchen layout, making it easy to access while maximizing available space. Its built-in design keeps the overall appearance clean and uncluttered, while providing convenient food storage for both short weekend getaways and extended road trips. Every appliance works together to create a kitchen that is fully prepared for life on the road, without sacrificing comfort or style. As we move beyond the kitchen, the interior opens beautifully into the main living area, where comfort immediately becomes the center of attention. The transition between spaces feels completely natural, creating an open floor plan that allows every part of the interior to flow effortlessly into the next. The seating area has been designed to provide a relaxing environment. Whether you are enjoying a morning coffee, reading a book, or spending time with family after a long day of travel, the comfortable seating combined with the generous interior dimensions creates a welcoming atmosphere that instantly feels like home. Large panoramic windows surround the living area, allowing natural daylight to fill the cabin from multiple directions. This not only makes the interior appear brighter, but also creates an incredible connection with the outdoor scenery, allowing you to enjoy beautiful mountain views, peaceful lakes, or stunning sunsets without ever leaving the comfort of your seat. The combination of natural light, modern finishes, and carefully selected materials gives the living space a bright, open, and luxurious feeling that few traditional RVs can match. The dining area continues the same premium design philosophy, offering a comfortable place to enjoy meals, work remotely, or simply gather with friends and family. The table is positioned to make the most of the available space while still allowing easy movement throughout the cabin. Every piece of furniture feels thoughtfully integrated, creating a balanced interior that never feels crowded. Despite offering so many features, the overall layout remains clean, spacious, and highly functional, making this motorhome feel much larger than you might expect from the outside. 1. Detail that deserves special attention is the overall craftsmanship. Every cabinet, every panel, every corner, and every finish reflects careful attention to quality. The lighting throughout the living space has been designed to create a warm, relaxing atmosphere during the evening, while the modern interior color palette enhances the feeling of elegance and sophistication. As you continue walking through the cabin, the entire interior maintains the same premium character with every section flowing naturally into the next, creating an experience that feels refined, comfortable, and incredibly inviting. The interior, the premium design flows seamlessly into the private bedroom, creating a space that feels peaceful, comfortable, and perfect for relaxing after a long day on the road. The large bed becomes the centerpiece of the room, while the surrounding cabinets provide generous storage for clothes, bedding, and personal belongings. Large windows allow natural light to fill the space, making the bedroom feel bright, open, and inviting. Every detail has been carefully designed to deliver the comfort. of a modern home while maintaining the practicality needed for life on the road. Just beyond the bedroom, you'll find additional storage areas that make excellent use of the available space. These compartments are ideal for keeping travel essentials, organized while maintaining a clean and clutter-free interior. The utility section has also been thoughtfully designed with the battery compartment neatly arranged, allowing easy access while keeping every component protected and efficiently organized. This attention to detail reflects the high level of engineering found throughout the entire motorhome. Moving into the bathroom, you'll immediately notice the clean, modern layout. The vanity features a stylish sink with a large mirror that helps make the space feel even brighter. The shower area is designed to provide a comfortable experience while making excellent use of the available room. The toilet is positioned for convenience and privacy, while built-in storage cabinets provide space for towels, toiletries, and other daily essentials. Premium finishes and well-placed lighting complete the bathroom, creating a space that feels fresh, practical, and surprisingly spacious for a luxury motorhome. One final highlight is the staircase. That provides access to the rooftop lounge. The steps are neatly integrated into the overall design, making it safe and convenient to reach the upper deck, where you can relax, enjoy the scenery, or spend quality time with family and friends. During the three-dimensional presentation, you can also see how the freshwater system has been intelligently positioned beneath the floor with dedicated water storage and plumbing, carefully arranged to maximize efficiency while preserving valuable living space. This smart engineering, combined with premium craftsmanship, thoughtful design, and luxurious comfort, makes this motorhome an outstanding choice for travelers who want to enjoy every journey with style, convenience, and confidence. That wraps up our full tour of this incredible luxury motorhome. We hope you enjoyed taking a closer look at its impressive design, smart features, and premium living spaces. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and let us know your favorite feature in the comments. We would love to hear your thoughts. And if you want to see more amazing motorhomes, luxury RVs, and the latest camper tours, don't forget to subscribe to Rolling Wheel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.